Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. What a difference a day makes, or in this case 4 hours. I have now sorted out the rest of this bed. Not sure what's going in it yet, but it's sorted out. Not done this one in front of the polytunnel, but I can now get up to my greenhouse, which I didn't even manage to get there last year. I've cleared some of this bindweed and the bramble bushes, and I'm tired and hurting, but you can see if I can zoom in. Can you see the red currants? What will be red currants? Well, we're all red currants now, they're just not mature yet. But that isn't all. Ta-da! I haven't dug in the soil to get the bindweed out. I've just taken all the bindweed that was there out. I've got ideas because I'm not going to go all through the soil. It just doesn't seem to do any good. It still comes back and forth. So I've got another idea, which I'm going to try out. But I thought I'd just share it with you. Yay! I can now get in there. Bye!
It's a